Today I have taken a first look at my paintwork of my Z for Coupe. It's Monaco blue, it looks great in the dark, but you get it in the sunlight and it's just swirls galore. So what I've done first is I've clay barred the bonnet and made sure I've got any sort of imperfections off of that after washing the car. And then I've taken some U-Pole panel wipe and just taken a wipe over of the bonnet as well to make sure that any previous waxes or polishes are taken off as well. And then tomorrow I'm going to tackle it with my DA polisher that I bought at the end of last year, which I've not even taken out the packaging yet, so that should be fun. I'm going to be using Meguires Ultimate Compound polish. It's got great reviews. I've done loads of YouTube watching of how-tos and various bits and pieces online, and it looks pretty easy to use, pretty good results. BMW paint is notoriously hard, so I've got no worries about putting too much pressure on anything. It's my first time polishing a car, so sometimes that can be a bit daunting, but I don't think it will be this time. So yeah, let's see how we get on tomorrow. Like I say, it's all prepped. I'm going to test it on the bonnet, which seems to have the most swirls, and we'll see what results we can come up with. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with how it's turned out. I've first time using the polisher. Only did sort of one pass on it. I think I probably went a little bit too quickly when I was actually doing the polishing stage, but it seems to have taken some of the swirls out and it definitely looks a lot brighter. So I just finished it off with a coat of wax, and I think next time I'll probably do the whole car, dedicate a whole day to it, but it was worth a test on the bonnet for sure. I need to sort a few of the stone chips out for next time, but other than that I'm pretty pleased. Some pretty heavy scratches on there, but a lot of the swirls have been taken right down, so this is going to need a bit more of an intense treatment, but it's definitely an improvement on where it was before. Thanks for watching. I'll try this again when I've got a bit more time and see what other results I can get.